Fines are doubled for construction zones. Yeah, the same things that you see at night when they close down the roads, those are construction zones. Under Texas's move over or slow down law, drivers are required to move over one lane and slow their vehicle speed by 20 miles per hour below the posted legal speed limit for any police, fire, and emergency vehicles. As you can see here, this car didn't slow down enough and hit a truck that was posting up for construction. And you can bet that their fines got doubled. Yep. Slow down, y'all.